Alright guys, what is going on? Good morning. It's like 7:30 right now. So today we're going to be heading down to Orange County. It's about an hour drive or hour up from where I live in near San Diego. So we're going to be driving down there to go pick up a rear diffuser for the car. So one of the last things that I've been wanting for the F80 is a rear diffuser to match with the side skirts and the front lip and stuff like that. So I'm constantly checking OfferUp and Marketplace because I'm always looking for a good deal. I'm sure you guys are the same way. Whenever I can find a good deal, I'll take it. So last night someone posted the V style, so the Vorsteiner style diffuser for an F80 or F82 for a really good price, because they generally go for about like 700 for like off-brand ones. So he posted up for like $100. It's a little scraped up on the bottom, but it should be stuff that you can't tell once it's on there. So I'm not too worried about it, but for that price, I'm willing to take the drive and like the risk of it not looking perfect. So just making some coffee right now. Still gotta wake up, it's pretty early. So once we get the diffuser, I'll show you guys what it looks like and the damage. I don't know if I'll be getting it installed this video. Just depends how long it takes me to get there and come back. All right, first off, we're gonna stop and get some gas because I'm running a little low. So me and my wife just came back from Vegas last night. It was our first road trip in the F80 M3. It's a 4-hour drive from where I live, so it was a really fun trip. The BMW was so nice to drive up there. It's like the perfect road trip car, I think. Just like a nice mix of power, looks, comfort, and then all the features you can ever want. So it was a really fun trip. But check out this right here. So we stopped at Carlo's Bakery from Cake Boss, and my wife loves cannolis, and check out the mess she left right here. Just crumbs everywhere. Damn, I'm gonna have to clean this car when I get back. Alright guys, we're gonna get some gas and then we'll get back on the road. Alright, for those of you that watch Dustin Williams' YouTube channel, one of my favorite channels, he's a local YouTuber to where I live. He just lives a few minutes from me. He just moved to a new area, and that up there, I don't know if you can see it up here, that's his new house right there. That's his new house right there. It's got an awesome view. I can't wait to see what he does with his builds. He's been talking about getting an F80, and almost every single video he's done recently, he's constantly talking about getting an M3. I think that would be sick to see a YouTuber that big build an M3 and kind of see what he does with his. That would be so awesome. I think that'd be sick. I hope he really does get an F80. I'm just curious, what's the farthest you guys have driven to get some car parts? I know I've driven pretty far, at least like a few hours, so I'm really curious to see if that's just something I do or is like pretty common for other people to do. We got the diffuser, thankfully, ended up getting for 80 bucks. It's a little beat up on the bottom where it like scraped, but that's not something you'll be able to notice once it's on. So 80 bucks from like 500 to 700 is what they go for. Is an awesome deal. Super nice guy. He had a badass FD RX-7, super original. I thought it was really cool. So we're here at the gas station. I barely made it. I have like 20 miles left, but my little light's been on for a while. So I need to use the bathroom really bad, and I've been to 3 gas stations and no one wants to let me use the bathroom. They claim it as COVID, but honestly I just know they just don't want to clean it, which whatever. So it's super annoying here in Orange County. Everything's like freaking no bathrooms anywhere. So I'm just gonna have to get back on the road and like hold it for now, but we're gonna fill up on gas and then we'll go head back. Here's a quick look at the diffuser. It's honestly not that bad. Like here it looks perfectly fine, so that's what you're gonna see. Where it's scraped up a little bit is down here, so that's like super understandable. Like I'm really surprised at the price he sold it to me for, to be honest. He said he sold his car, so he didn't really care. This one's like probably the worst just from scraping, but honestly you're not really gonna be able to tell. All right guys, we took a quick break. We're like 30 minutes from home, right next to Camp Pendleton. Want to show you guys the view as you're driving down the 101 South, or the 5 South, sorry. This is the view as you're driving down the 5 South. It's really nice out today, like not a single cloud. It's probably like 65, 70 right now. It's an awesome view. For those of you that don't live by the ocean, it's a really nice drive. Alright guys, so I got it all on there. It was a little tricky just because it is like I guess a knockoff or the original, so it's not an original piece. So the fitment was like a little tricky to get it exactly how I wanted it, but once I got it on there, it's really good. I gotta say, I'm really happy for the price that I paid for this diffuser. I mean, the 80 bucks, it looks really good, especially with the bigger tips that I put on there when I first got the car. Yeah, the fitment overall is really good. You just have to like mess with it a little bit to get it on there. And like I said, like I knew it would happen. You cannot see the damage that is under there. You can't see it from here unless you get down low under the car. You'll be able to see it, but from here, you cannot see it, and it looks really good. So I'm really happy with the diffuser I got. I mean, for 80 bucks, you cannot beat that. I'm telling you, make sure you guys check OfferUp Marketplace when you're looking for car parts, or any of like the Facebook group pages for your specific car. You can always find great deals. I'm really happy with that. I figured worst case scenario, it wouldn't look good and I'll just rock it for a little bit until I get a new one. But honestly, this looks really good. Really happy with it, so I'll most likely be keeping it for a while. Nice. Now I feel like the car is pretty complete as far as the exterior goes. I could actually bring my exhaust tips further out. I'm able to adjust how far they stick out, but I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. You guys think I should bring the exhaust tips further out, maybe to match where the diffuser is, or should I just leave it like that so it's not too crazy? Yeah, it looks super good, guys. Now I just gotta wash the car. It is really dirty from my road trip. Wow. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. You guys think I made a good choice by picking this up for the price that I did, or should I just got a new one? What do you guys think? What would you have done? Yeah, looks awesome. Super happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out so we can get a better look at it outside. So I'll go ahead and pull that out, and then we'll take another look at it. All right, guys, there it is. I think it came out really good. It just ties off the rear of the car nicely and just matches it up with the rest of the front. The rear end of the car looks so good now. The diffuser, the 305s, the CSS spoiler, and then the reflector deletes, and then the exhaust tips as well. Looks really good. I just need to get a better license plate frame because that one just says CarMax. And then I like how wide the wheels sit. Everything just flows so smoothly with the side skirts. Nice, it looks so good. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really appreciate you guys coming along with me on the trip to go pick up this diffuser and getting it installed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You guys like it, or if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do next to the car, let me know. If you guys are new, please consider subscribing. I'm constantly gonna be posting new videos, and if you guys are not new, please drop a like. It helps me out a lot to help my videos getting seen. I'm really close to the 1,000 subscribers I'm trying to hit by the end of the year. That way we can get monetized and just invest that money back into the channel and either equipment or stuff for the car. So I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the content, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you guys.